a long time.
Looks like it. Weapon's still intact.
Look at this, the joint is completely seized, and the barrel's blocked solid with sand. This thing hasn't moved in decades.
The primary systems are completely seized. The core is compromised. No power trace.
I found it. It's here. I'm gonna need backup.
Over here, guys. Glad you made it. Copy that. Let's get this heavy lifting started.
We need a full assessment of its structural integrity.
Yep.
Understood. We'll start the scanning immediately. All right, initial scans look good. We'll need to secure it at the shoulder joints.
Copy that. These straps should hold.
Proceed with caution. The integrity is unknown.
All right, hold that tight. Almost there. Make sure it clears the rib cage. Secure the latch on your side. Locked in. Ready to lift. Tension's good. Slow lift. Slow lift. Clear the base.
All right, tensioning the chains.
Take it up slowly. Watch for debris.
We've got movement. It's coming up.
God, it's bigger than they said.
Looks like it's been through hell and back.
35 years. It's just hanging there. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Just a little more. Mind the debris. We've got it. Almost got it. Just a little tighter. Watch the rust. Okay, it's secure. It's secure. The straps are holding. Let's move. Copy. Rolling out.
Keep eyes peeled for trouble.
Always do.
Always do.
Keep it moving. Drive straight through. Brake. Copy that. Stopping now. Get the scanners ready. This thing's a nightmare. Watch the clearance. Get the straps ready.
Engage the magnets. The straps are secure. Commence lifting.
Lifting now. Engaging lift. Steady now. Check the rifle support. Clear the deck. Rise slowly. Watch the joints. Looks secure. Well done. Keep it steady. We're almost at the bay. Engage the stabilizers. Watch the clearance. Lowering now. Almost there. Now. 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 Hold. Locked in. Platform engaging.
Keep the rotation steady. We need a full 360 of the upper torso.
Copy that. Increasing power to the platform servos now.
Open the valve. Engaging pressure. Watch the runoff. Clear on my side. Keep it steady. Get that rust off. It's coming loose now. Be careful. Watch the wiring, but power through. Keep it steady. Almost done with the torso. Final rinse on the skull. All right, legs are clean enough. Slow the rotation down. Good work. Keep those vacuums focused on the base. Platform, slow rotation now. We're shifting to squeegees, guys. Got it. Starting to dry off. Keep it on that setting. Roger, let's turn this one a bit. Needs more airflow on the upper body.
The pressure washing didn't even touch this pitting. Look at the joint here.
We'll need a specialized chemical treatment for the tight rust.
Right. Then bead blast at low pressure on the heavy sections.
Secure the bracing on the lower joint.
Check the alignment.
Locking into place. Rotate slowly.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. I'm almost through the thickest part here. Just a bit more.
Torso clear. Moving to the shoulder.
Check the eye sockets.
The primary seizure points are here and here. Understood, Senior. We'll start with a targeted solvent application. Careful, it's delicate there. All right, spray the oil. Got it. Now hit it with the impact gun. Careful, she's old. Engaging. Get ready for the pry bar. Keep it steady. Oil's working. It's turning. All right, everyone, get ready. Got it. Step forward. We've got the weight. All right, easy does it. Lift it now. Yep, got it. Steady. Watch the clearance. Just a little more. Keep it steady. Down a bit more. Easy now. Secured. Move it to station 4. On our way. Be careful with those wires. Got it. Labeling the hydraulics now. Applying more oil to the fingers. All right, easy now. Clear the lines. Watch fingers. Got it. Lower it slowly. All right, easy now. Take the weight. Got it. Just a little further. Set it down on the towels. Careful. All right, unhook the left arm now. Clear. Lowering it onto the cart. Check the elbow fittings again. Keep pushing. Almost there. Ready to tool. Sparks flying. Be careful.
All right, slowly now. Watch the cables. Hydraulic pressure looks stable. Just a little more.
The elbow joints show significant wear. We'll need to disassemble and clean them thoroughly.
Check the servos on the weapon system first.
More solvent here. Watch the gears. They're jammed with rust.
Severe rust and heavy debris. Looks like a complete blockage.
Can we bypass it, or does the whole weapon need to be replaced?
Assessing the damage now. It's extensive.
Power's steady, torque is optimized. Let's record these metrics. Looks like a successful restoration.
All right, secure the head now. Keep it steady.
Cables are disconnected. Bring it up slowly.
Watch the connections. Label them as they clear the neck.
All right, let's see what we're working with here.
Give up what?
Heavy corrosion, looks like water damage.
Right.
Careful work is needed on these eye sockets.
Keep it steady. The core needs calibration. I'm wiping down the spine now. Looks like the rotation is slowing.
Extensive corrosion noted on the alpha cell. Must replace the full harness. Initiating protocol 746.
Carefully disconnect those cables now.
Labels are in place.
Hand over the tray.
Degradation is severe on this one.
Place them gently. Let's get the next one.
Power cell engaged.
Diagnostics confirm stability.
Initiate systems check.
Keep it steady. Watch the core housing. Slow down the rotation now. Polishing the spine area. Core access initiated. The barrel's bore is clear. Let's check the tying on this component.
Engaging toe articulation. Smooth movement. Pressuring ankle hydraulics. Stable. Verified.
Line it up. Right side, push in. Okay, bolting it now. Keep it steady. Done on this side. Stepping back. Пожалуйста, внимательно, медленно. Выровни с левой стороны. Здесь почти готово. Опускаем вперед. Да, вот так. Отлично. Зафиксировано. All right, lock the platform. Check the alignment on the shoulder connections. Bring in the arm assemblies. Let's get them lifted. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Just a little to the left. Looks aligned. Lower it slowly.
Line it up. Easy. Careful with the hydraulics. Just a fraction more. Hold it steady. Perfect. Secure the wiring now.
Engaging primary lock. Secure the assembly. Status green. Project complete. Stand back.
Line it up. Easy. Push. Push. Got it. Secure the mounts. Hydraulics connected. Testing the servos.
All right, locked and loaded. Hydraulics checked.
System power up.
Perfect. Welcome back, pal.
Let's check the mobility. Smooth motion there. With connections holding. Hands fully operational. Line it up. Steady. Bit to the right. Pneumatic tools ready. Engage. Tightening now.
Torque check completed.
Looks solid. Ready for the test.
The restoration is complete. Engage rotation. Monitoring diagnostics.
It's perfect. All those months, and it looks just like new.
Diagnostics clear. Initiating sequence.
Power core connection stable.
Prepare for activation. Systems nominal. Online. Initiating activation sequence.
We have glowing eyes.
Activation complete. Activation sequence initialized. Power at 100%. Systems check complete. It's alive.
Stand clear. It's moving. Oh my God. We did it. Incredible. All right. Stay back, everyone. Keep a safe distance. Incredible. Absolutely incredible work. Watch those cables. It's fully functional.
Range of motion complete. Status optimal.
Incredible. It works. My God, it actually works. All right, test the arm servos.
Engage primary function. Visual scanning activated.
After all this time, it's finally operational.
Incredible work, boss.
Looks better than ever.